Good morning, Daily Journal. It's Tuesday, December 31st. The time is currently 8:35 a.m. Let's go. All right, so today I got up at 7:50, later than usual. Yeah, I got up at 7:50. I hydrated. I wrote that. That's what I was missing. Sitting there relaxing and chilling, thinking I had time. But I stretched and meditated, but I didn't read or write down my goals. And the shit is sitting right here, man. It's sitting right here. And I didn't even realize it. I'm gonna do that after this. Okay, when we're done here. But yeah, so I didn't really complete my morning routine as we just established, all right. But I got to my desk I just got to my desk. So I got to my desk for 8:35. As always, my weekly target is 5%. All right, and my daily target, I have two bullets, however, that ends up. Yesterday, I only used one bullet. I wasn't able to get back and get into the market. There was a PM session trade that we'll talk about. I wasn't able to get in because I was doing other things. Okay. Mental check-in. I'm feeling pretty good. Yeah. Losing still sucks, okay, but I understand that losses are part of the game, all right, and that my model, okay, obviously will win more times than he loses, and when he loses, it's the trader doing something wrong, all right, not the actual model, all right. So, because I'm still trying to become one with the model, okay, so there's a few things that I'm learning, all right, so I'm learning as I obviously gain more experience, so which is improving my analyst, so. Yeah, anyway, risk disclaimer. So yeah, all in all, I'm feeling pretty good. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today on this New Year's Eve. All right, tomorrow, as you can see, tomorrow there's nothing because it's New Year's Day and we're off. Okay, so let's see what this New Year's Eve brings us. All right, bringing us any good luck going into 2025, baby. Let's go. All right. Yeah, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game, baby. I accept. All right, so as you can see, we have a 9 o'clock medium impact news today coming out. All right, that's why we're here. That's why we're active. All right, last day of the year. All right, so let's see what how price behaves on the last day of the year, right? And then we'll see next year how it fares to this year, right? So we'll go ahead and determine our risk. I did take a loss yesterday, and since I'm at my lowest leverage already, okay, we'll be staying the same. Like I said, keep saying at this point, when the risk starts increasing, when the leverage starts increasing, obviously this part will be more pertinent and will be more important. All right. So until then, all right, we're remaining the same. But when we start increasing that risk, this part will be very important because when we take a loss, okay, it's important, it's imperative that you reduce risk going in. All right. And that's how we stay in the game longer. All right. So, like I said yesterday, my weekly condition is bullish. I'm in a buy program. All right. So, let's see if anything's happened overnight. Okay. To change that for me, let's go ahead. Let's double check Forest Factory up 9 o'clock. Same news, right? It's come on price index. Different freaking shit that got going on. Anyway, London. Why did I say London? Dollar. London. Why is London in my head? Anyway, dollar. All right. As you can see, this 4 hour CB is keeping price lower. Okay, it's consolidating between this weekly busy. Ain't even coming there. It's consolidating between this 4 hour CB, okay, and this 4 hour busy right here for the block here. Okay, so yep, a little bit of consolidation in here. All right, let's see NQ. Okay, NQ dropped lower back inside the busy. Okay, into there was something I saw here the other time. Oh, wait, what was it? Anyway, into this order block here. All right, fell into the 4 hour order block here. All right, in this four hour busy remainder of this 4 hour busy nested inside the weekly busy. Yes, all right, and we got a retracement up. We have a 4-hour CB in here. Let's see how price behaves. I want to see price disrespect it if we're gonna continue going higher. All right, so let's see how it behaving here in a 4-hour CB. But overall, oh yeah, it was the daily bullish order block he had come back into. That's what I was talking about. Daily bullish order block here. All right, it can recapitalize on it because it's a daily PD array. Okay, so from my current understanding of price action, all right, nothing has happened overnight. Okay, to change my weekly program. Like I said, the wicks do the damages. Okay, it all depends on where this weekly candle body will close. All right, as you can see, these 2 weeks we've closed. We've come in this week has done the damage. Oh yeah. He's done the damage, but where did we close? We closed back above the consequent encouragement of the BISI. What I noticed on my phone, let me delete. Let me just use it. What I noticed on my phone yesterday was that we had this weekly wick um it'd be a discount week, right? Weekly discount week, right? We've come into the consequent encouragement of it. All right, just it dipped a little bit below it. All right, so they can get their orders filled. All right, now it's retracing higher. All right, so depending on where this week candle closes, if it closes above the consequent encouragement, then it's giving you extra confirmation that price wants to go higher. But what it did, it just came down into the consequent encouragement of this wick, discount wick, and is retracing back up higher. We'll see how it behaves. Like I said, I want to see it disrespect this 4-hour CB. All right, and potentially leave a BISI in here, use it, and then go higher. All right, so but yeah, like I said, from my current understanding of price action, okay, nothing's happened in price to change my weekly program. All right, let's go ahead and know our buy side and sell side on the M15 time frame, and we can talk a little bit about. We have time. We have a lot of time. We can talk about yesterday's trading and what happened and stuff. It would have came and took you out break even there, but still would be a valid trade there. Came in there early. Yeah. Na 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 na. Anyway, M15 buy side and sell side. Buy side and sell side. So we did have an M15 trade here. Okay, so this is the key high. It was the AM session high, right? Swing high here displaces back below the key high, causes a market structure shift, fair value gap, M15 set up. We get another one, takes liquidity here. Okay, swing high, displacement, market structure shift back below the key high, fair value gap, M15 set up right there. But anyway, above price, currently we have London session buy side. Okay, that price has already engaged. Okay, we've taken buy side above it, displays down, caused the market structure shift. We have a fair value gap here. So let's see on the M15 if this fair value gap keeps price lower here. All right. Okay, so we have London buy side. Above that, we have yesterday's PM session buy side, lunch session buy side, clustering of buy side up here. Above that, we have London session buy side from yesterday as well, and previous daily high from yesterday. Should we go any higher, we have PM session high from Friday here, okay, and AM session buy side up here. Let's snag a line that we can use. For the buy side, are you my friend? Are we locked in? I don't need it for these ones. I can put it for this, but I'm gonna make it tiny, tiny, whiny. That was a half day today or something. Yeah, whatever. Make it blue, blue. Put it for this. All right. Even though it's already been used. I still want to pay attention to price around it. So I'll make it that color. Not too prominent in price, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to it, obviously, I don't know what it is. All right, should we keep going above that? We have PM session from Thursday. Oh, this is Friday's price action. Yeah, so AM session buy side from Friday. Previous daily high from Friday. London was already used. I'll still be paying attention there. But yeah, should we go any higher? I'll go ahead and draw them out. But for now, we're good on the buy side there. All right. For sell side, we have London session low. Okay. We also have PM session low here. Price is already engaged here, but it still can be prominent in price today. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Yeah, make it red. Let's make it red. Here, PM session sell side, and then we have Monday's previous daily low in line with AM session low, and then we have these lows. Are you my friend? All right, and we got our sell side noted there. Brrr. All right, let's go ahead and talk about yesterday's trading a little bit while we wait for the news to come out at 9 o'clock. Okay, so when we closed up shop yesterday, all right, obviously I stayed a little, okay, to clean up and tidy up and see, you know, what was on the floor, and what could have, been sold, what I missed, and where I went wrong for the day, right? So yesterday, um, what low is this? Where do you know me from? Where do you know me from? I don't know if I need this on there, but there was no load over there yesterday, so didn't know. M15 set up for me right there. Like I said, took buy side above a key high, displacement, market structure shift, fair value gap. As you can see, fair value gap, we're not closure above the consequent encouragement. Not really well. This one opened there and she went short straight down. So maybe sell sides in cross errors, but let's go ahead talk about. We got about 10 minutes to go deep dive into yesterday's price action. All right, so when we close up shop, all right, I realized you know, where I got in, obviously it was a loss, and I understand why it was a loss now. Okay. And I actually understood, I found a way that I could have actually capitalized on the move here. Okay. But anyway, let's get into it. So obviously this model is looking at liquidity, right? But obviously there's only two reasons why IPTA moves, all right, and is to seek liquidity above and below price, okay, and to fill inefficiencies above and below price. Okay, this new week opening gap is an inefficiency. All right, so I've elected to do liquidity, but obviously there's also inefficiencies where setups can form, right? Yeah, so the setup wasn't clear on a M1 time frame. Okay, but this is This is completely something different. Okay, test tubies, ignore this. All right. This has got nothing to do with you guys. So yeah, it comes into an inefficiency, all right, post 10:15. Okay. We take liquidity below that inefficiency, swing low, displaces back up. It's the same concept, it's just instead of a liquidity, you're replacing that with an inefficiency. All right. So take liquidity below an inefficiency, okay? Swing low, displaces back above the inefficiency, all right, causes a market structure shift above the inefficiency, fair value gap. BISI, which was also the first presented fair value gap on an M5 time frame, all right, comes in 150 wouldn't have kept you in this trade, all right? It would have actually took you out at 150 with the stop loss. So but with that being said, since it's an M5 time frame, oh, no. Why is it not like, okay. Yeah, 200, 150, I'll show you. 150 would have took you out. And that's not even minus in the one from the we're buying, so plus one, it would be two there. Yeah, 150 definitely wouldn't have kept you in that one, in that bad boy. Yeah. So 200. Now this is where I was like, do I want to do well, the question still poses, right? Do I want to do a 150, yeah, max stop? Or do I want to do a structure stop and not worry about the structure stop would go right here, either at this low or this fair value gap candle low or the body will still take you out. Excuse me. 250. That's a lot. Even though, it doesn't come even close to it. For me, that's still a lot, man. Maybe 200 I could do. 200 is looking at what, $1,000, no? I believe he's looking at $1,000. No, yeah, he's looking at $1,000. 200 times. Yeah. We're looking at $1,000, right? To make what? They ended up going to 802. Well, in the long run, it will be worth it. But in these beginning stages, definitely not. But yeah, 150 would have taken you out of this trade, but this is a perfectly good trade there. All right. And when it came back into this was a second, a second. When it came back into the M5 BISI, okay, let's say it came at 150 and took you out here. Okay, during the 1050 macro, all right, we get a 2022 model. We take a short-term low inside of the 5 hour, not inside, but just a little bit outside of the 5 minute BISI. Wow, the model has already formed, all right, on the 5 minute time frame. It's already told us where it wants to go. It wants to go higher, all right? We already got the signatures that price wants to go higher there. We take a short-term low here, okay? This place is higher. The fourth candle is involved in a fair value gap here. We'll just confirm that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle, fair value gap. Okay, so we take a short-term low here, swing low, displacement back above the short-term low, market structure shift, all right? While we're inside the BISI, while we've taken liquidity below the inefficiency and caused a market structure shift already, all right, suggesting that price is going higher. Okay, we get an entry here, all right, to get into the market, into the move. Okay, I mean, I saw this while it was happening. Okay, the 1050 macros at 1050 macro, what you got for us, but like, what was I paying attention to? I need to start paying attention. I need to start paying. I don't know. I feel like I'm too like fixated on the setup, on the model, that like I'm not paying attention to price. Or I don't know, like, or I have my attention diluted when I'm on here. But this is something that I should have caught because I was watching price action, right? I was in front of it. I should have been able to notice this. But anyway, it's fine. I'm not mad at myself, okay? I'm pleased I am able to actually see it after the fact, okay? I just need to keep doing that, all right? And during the fact, it'll get easier the more I do it. But I'm proud of myself for still being able to identify it and see these things after the fact, all right? Okay? Because that's how it starts. You have to be able to see it in hindsight, all right? And then to be able to actually see it happen in real life. So I'm proud that I'm able to actually go back and notice it and notice these things, all right? Because it's just going to keep improving my analysis. But anyway, there was the deal right there. All right, that was your opportunity to gain on that buy setup. Even if you had got taken out here on the M5, okay, with this candle, I think, oh yeah, it was this candle that would have came to you at 150. Here, it gives you a setup to get right back in on the 1 minute with lower risk. Oh, still at 150, but still. But still lower than that, right? It gives you another opportunity to get back in. There you go. Bob's your uncle. There was a trade I took here. Obviously, with hindsight, I know I was wrong. Okay. Obviously, we did, like I said yesterday, at times like this after 11:10, okay, to between 11:10 to 11:50 there, 11:10 to that 11:50 micro starting. All right. I want to see an A plus setup in that time frame. Okay. And this was not an A plus setup. It would have had to come down and take this low, okay, for it to let me know, yeah, I'm serious about going back down. But this, I was just filling in this inefficiency here, all right, into this order block and then continuing higher. Even get a 2022 model here. We take a short-term low here, swing low, this places up, market structure shift, fair value gap right there. All right, that was another opportunity to jump back on board on that long train. Okay. Anyway, during the PM session, we also had a 5-minute trade, another 5-minute trade. All right, so above a key high. All right, this is the M15. M15, no, I'm talking about M15. This is the AM session high, okay? It gets taken here on the M5, but it doesn't get taken until right here on the M15. Okay, if you want to see it taken on the M15. It gets taken here on the M1. All right, gives you a false setup here. Okay. Doesn't take market structure though, and it's not post 12:15. Yep. Gives you a false setup there. Like sometimes these pan out on a 1 minute, okay, but I'm electing to on a 1 minute want to see a market structure shift because it's a 1 minute break of a key high there, and it hasn't actually been taken on the M15 time frame. So yeah, those are little like subtle nuances that I'm changing in certain things that I want to see in certain trades, so I can avoid some losses. Okay, so I'm not trying to completely avoid losses because I know it's part of the game. All right, but this key high comes back, takes liquidity. Yeah, fair trade would have come and taken you out though. Yeah, that was fair. That was a fair loss there. Yeah, but it was clearer on the M5 time frame here. Okay, above a key high, we take liquidity. It was post 215. Actually, we get two setups on the M5. One hits. Does it hit 102? 102? Damn, I thought I had time. I thought I had ample time, but I just been running my mouth. Anyway, it's all good. Stop here. I think yeah, it goes to 102, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah. So post 215, okay. This is a kilo here. We take liquidity below kilo. Swing is an A minus setup, all right. Swing low, displacement to the upside, fair value gap here on the M5. You get it, you get tagged in. You get tagged in there. Yeah, you would have been tagged in now. You get tagged in there, okay, 102, and then it comes back and takes you out. But while it's taking you out, it's actually setting up a sell formation, okay? So we take minor buy side above above a key high. Okay, this was the AM session high. Okay, we take buy side above it, 315. Swing high, displacement back below the key high. All right, causing a market structure shift below the key high. Fair value gap there. And there you go. Gives you 5 take profits. All right, there you go. And we actually also had a post. Um, let's put this on the M1 so we can see the news coming out and see what happens there. But once we close for the day, okay, I changed my time here to 3:15. As you can see, it's a little different from what it was before. We have a 3:15 time to look for setup. In between this time is like my last hour of trading. Okay, that I want to be looking for setup. Usually good setups form in that period time frame. Anyway, so we close anyway, we open back up at 6 o'clock, okay, Asia. All right. Trade to and through a key low there. It was a PM session low right here. Okay, we even have an M15 set up that formed, but also clear on M5. Take liquidity. Oh no, we don't. We go below a key low. This is the key low here. This is this low. The PM session. Oh, I drew it on a line there for my phone because that's on my phone. But anyway, the key low is here. Trade to and through a key low, swing low, displacement to the upside. All right, fair value gap is an A minus setup. well, A minus plus, it becomes A plus when it takes this structure. But 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth candle. Yep, this is the only, yep, yep. What am I talking about? Yeah. So anyway, you would have been tagged in here. All right, 755, TP3, and then it comes, as we realize, comes to take you out a break even there. But obviously, still doesn't take this low, so makes this trade is still valid. As long as this low doesn't go, all right, the trade is still valid, all right. So it just comes back in. Mother sec, bro. Move. News came out already. Don't seem to have done much. Like I said, price is coming down because M15 set up here. So sell side is in the cross areas there. Anyway, comes back into this fair value gap. Okay, gives you a busy here. All right, another opportunity to get in there. Bob's your uncle. London session trade right there. Gives you more than TP3, obviously. But yeah, that was a business yesterday. It was much cleaner on the M5. Okay, it wasn't that clean. That setup, you wouldn't have been tagged on the M1 if you're looking at it on the M1 time, just on the M1 time frame. All right, so we take buy side here, displacement down. Okay, but we're not back below the key high. We have a little minor swing high here. Okay, displacement back below the key high, causing a market structure shift back below the key high. But obviously, the fair value gap, we have 1, 2, 3. All right, close to the swing high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle swing high is, fourth candle fair value gap is here. Okay, so definitely would have not been tagged in it. You wouldn't obviously not known to get in this fair value gap. I would want to get in a fair value gap closer to the swing high or swing low. And obviously it was much cleaner on the M5 time frame, tagged in there at the 350 macro. Okay, and it just tanks. It's like, oh, this is a 5 minute. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes to hit 5 take profits. God damn, that's quick. But yeah, that was the business yesterday. Okay, I know where I went wrong. All right, and I've adjusted. I made minor tweaks to avoid that. Okay, that was a loss that I could have avoided. Okay, if I'd known what I know now. So moving forward, that's a loss that I will avoid in the future. Okay. You know, but yeah, that was a business. Beautiful, beautiful price action. Beautiful, beautiful. This trade here, after I realized it, I'm like, wow, that's nice. That was nice. But clearly, when I looked on the 30-second time frame, that was the trade there, right? Obviously, it would have come and taken you out, but that was it. It didn't take that low, so obviously that trade is still valid. But anywho, I'm happy. I'm not happy about the loss I took, but I'm happy that I know what I know from the loss I took, right? Because of the loss, all right, it allowed me to go back into price action and investigate more. And that's what I saw. I wasn't able to get in here because I was too busy having a dance class. So it's all good though. Structure shift then. I definitely took a loss there. Yeah, the fourth candle is not involved in no fair value gap here. Not we have a second swing high from above the high. We have this one here. Excuse me. But yeah, I wouldn't have known to be doing anything with that. No, it's in my trading time frame. Not time frame, but like time zone. But yeah, Beautiful, 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 beautiful pie section. Are you my friend? Very unladylike, isn't it? Do have a lunch loader. Just because we got that lunch loader, I'm just seeing what if it does anything. I want this candle to be the one that like, tags us in this trade. The 10-10. 9-10, I mean. Huh, huh. Crazy. Mhm. Fuck it, we ball. This is why I be missing shit. Put it away. Put it away. Pay attention. God damn it. Happening right now. Today's a half day. Is that a half day? What are you going to find out? Mm. Okay. Don't want me to pay for some shit. Just give me the first share. Anyway, back to price. I lost two, two pieces last night in my sleep. Mm-hmm. They're on the bed. I just need to go find them. Slept probably like a mad woman. Oh, good. Yeah. Mm. Today's back. Gotta lose some belly fat, man. It's the only thing I don't like about myself. There's room for improvements. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Everything else is like, like an athlete's body, and then you get to my stomach and it's like, whoa, going on there, daddy. Got dad board in the stomach area. Anybody that can help me get rid of it, I won't pay you right now, but I'll pay you later. uh, one. Some serious text, serious text. Wait. Opening bell in 4 minutes. All right, you would have been getting tagged in there now. Open barrel. It would be in there. Decent size open range gap there. So we'll see what price action has in store. It's below price. It's below price, so we gapped up. Again, taking out that from here. Cool. Q. Those are my trades anyways. Good to know. What? Bell chow. We know you're coming down, so just do it. M15 already told us that. Just do it already. Gives you multiple opportunities in there to get in, to get in. Let me see. Right, taking consequent encouragement or feel the consequent encouragement already. Lower quadrant. And first presented, oh, it's right here. First presented by belly, yeah, tiny one. Completely filled in that open range gap now. M15 already told us what was happening. Okay, and as you can see, the wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. No body closure. Well, we've got a little body closure above consequent encouragement, but the next candle straight shoots down and closes back below it, and these two candles don't even close on the inside. So, with that being said, and the news was 9. And came back inside here. London south side and PM session south side in the crosshairs there. The next inefficiency or liquidity on the daily. At the week, well, consequent environment. Have this liquidity. And then it kept down. Yeah. Oh, true. First presented Fair Valley Cup on M5. Stuck in between these two PDRAs. And the way to do the damages, the bodies tell the story. Same things happening here, so we're just stuck between these two right here. Mm. 9:50 macro at work. Ribbit, ribbit. Ugh. Oh, oh, yeah. Opening range, buy side and sell side confirmed on a 5 minute time frame and also on 1 minute time frames been confirmed on that. Opening range sell side taken alongside London sell side. All right, PM session sell side from yesterday taken as well. Below that, we have yesterday's previous daily low in line with AM session low. We're at key low, so we're anticipating a buy here, waiting for a swing low with the displacement to the upside, leaving the fair value gap busy. Doesn't have to cause a market structure shift, but if it does, makes it A plus, right? But market structure shift would be it coming all the way up here. So very unrealistic. But doesn't mean it's not possible, but it's very unrealistic. Taking liquidity below key low, swing low, gain a displacement to the upside here. No fair value gap, no market structure shift here. Placement back above the key lows. So waiting on the fair value gap to be confirmed here. Fair value gap, market structure shift there. All right, so we're golden. What's the low? 59.75. We're buying, so +1, so it'll be 56.75. Swing low, displacement to the upside, back above the key high, market structure shift back up, well, key high, key low, market structure shift back below, back above the key low, okay, fair value gap right here. Waiting to see if we get tagged in this trade, and then it'll be in the market and the model's hands there. Yeah. 116 we're looking at. Low is 333. So be 2331. Call 331. Which is what is that here? Right? 331. We have a swing low here, okay, up below the key low. Gain a displacement. We have a market structure shift there. So we need to see if we get a fair value gap here confirmed. If not, we're sticking with this one. If not, we're gonna move it up. And if we get taken out, we have this one. Let's go. Really cold up in here, or I'm anxious about this trade. Doesn't have to come all the way down here, okay? So if we get a fair value gap confirmed here, like I said, I'll be moving the entry there. Now put my stop below this swing low here. And if we're taken out, we have this. All right, now I'm in the middle of about to take a trade right now. Gotta refresh. The AC kicked on, boy. All right. Below 406. We're buying, so +1, 407. Order filled. Okay, I guess I didn't even get to move it. All right, stop right here. Full stop. We have this here. Wasn't able to adjust that, so it is what it is at this point. 150 was a max. Oh, what time were we tagged in? We were tagged on this candle. Tagged in the trade at 10:20. Okay. Tagged in at 10:20. So we've been in it for 2 minutes, or 2 minutes now. Yeah, but M5, A minus trade setting up here. This fair value gap is not confirmed yet. We have 2 minutes on this candle left. Was it 10:20? 3 minutes in this trade now. Didn't get to adjust the entry. So what did they tag me? What was the price? 8. What was the low of this candle? 406. So it should have been 407.50. Yeah. Risking $75 to make 51 bucks. Order filled. All right, and we're taking out, I'll say 4 minutes later of that trade then. Slowly but surely, now we can refresh. Working our way up. Let's see how many targets this trade has in store. All right, so we've hit TP1. Let's see if TP2 is on the cards today. Didn't come to our initial entry, okay, but we had a swing low here at the key low, opening session range low. Swing low, displacement back above the key low, okay, causing a market structure shift, leaving the fair value gap there. So initially, this was where we wanted to get in, but obviously we had a post 10:15 set up here, all right, that let you know that, hey, we might not be coming all the way down here. Might be a breakaway gap. But let's see if TP2 is in the card for this trade here. We're in this trade for 4 minutes, I'll say. Well, it's 3, but yeah, we'll say 4, round it up. All right, the fair value gap on the M5 is confirmed here, okay? We have an A minus trade set up here. If we take this structure here, okay, it becomes an A plus. So we have an A minus buy formation on the M5 time frame, which I'll be paying attention to. We were at max stop loss there. Easy. Just about came in that. TP2 smash. We have an A plus set up on the M5 time frame there. All right. We also have a secondary fair value gap here, so it might not come into this one, which is also nested inside the first presented fair value gap on the M5 time frame. TP2 there, smash. All right, so we'll be halving the risk here, 75. Let's see if TP3 is in the cards here. Could have formed the low of the week already on Monday. Okay. Now again, we're going higher. Our next draw is up here to this. The initial week open here. And we have this buy side and inefficiency up here. So let's see. Hey. Okay, it's come back into, oh, so this fair value gap wasn't confirmed. What was I talking about? That fair value gap was not confirmed on the M5. Anyway, we came back into the initial fair value gap on the M5 timeframe after taking buy side. Okay, so want to see this fair value gap keep price higher. You wouldn't have been taken out here half risk, okay? You will still be in here. It comes to here, but half risk is right there, so you wouldn't have been taken out. You'll still be in this trade here. But if it comes to take you out, it's taking you out at half risk after 2 take profits, okay? So I won't cry about that. Like I said, I want to see this busy on the M5, keep price higher, okay? Because that's an A plus setup we had. Sell side, swing low, displacement, market structure shift back above the key low, fair value gap. Yeah. I don't know why I put the fair value. I guess this one wasn't confirmed yet when I put the fair value gap there. But yeah, I don't want to see it completely fill it in here. Okay. I like that it didn't completely fill it in. Still have 11 seconds on this candle here. So the same candle that took the structure would have been the same candle that tags you in the trade. See, it might be coming down into here. Ten 15, right on cue, right? Right on cue, 10:15, doing this thing. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, 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 okay. I want to see price completely disrespect this CB here. If it's gonna keep going higher. I mean, we've made a jagged here and we have buy side up here, so I don't see a reason for it to come back down here after taking all the sell side. One, two, three sell sides down here. So I want to see it completely disrespect this CB and potentially use it as an inversion, maybe. Yeah, I want to see it disrespect this CB. So if it doesn't, then what is it telling me, right? We have buy side up here. We made downside jagged, taking sell side. What else up here? We have buy side. So let's see. I don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. All right, you began taking out a half respect. So the trade is done up. And I didn't want to see you. Remember, I didn't want to see you respect this. And it did. So there you go. Let's see if we get tagged in the initial trade down here. If we get 102 on that. Bad boy. The M5, man. You build trust in me and then you just rip it away from me. Just like that. Still valid on the M5, really and truly, because we haven't, let's see what 150 would have had. See the sell one here. Buying, so +1. Look at that risk though. Okay, now mate. 150 will still keep you in there. Well, it wouldn't be looking really good right now, to be honest. We've got a closure below the BC, which isn't bad, but isn't great for the trade. As long as this low doesn't go, this trade is still valid. So stop at 150, I think it will still have it in there. It leaves a busy hill. Then it's looking mighty okay for this trade if it leaves a busy hill. Come back into this high, taking liquidity below it. Market structure shifts. I want to see it leave a busy hill. I want to see a busy hill. I want to come here, disrespect it, and use it as an inversion. Okay, so this busy now should keep price higher. Now, if it doesn't, that's saying something too, right? It's saying we're going down, we're going down, we're going downhill. Oh, we going downhill. Close below it. Okay, not looking good. Yep, like I said. Oh, we going downhill. Happy New Year. It's a breaker. The high of the breaker. Open it up, we can see it. Oh, yeah. It's a break. We have a breaker in here. It's a low. I mean, low. Well, look. High, low, higher, high. It's just, it's a breaker. Yep. We said raccoon is invading his property. Will the city of Hollywood do anything about it? The tags is in there. It's gonna take us out of the M5 trade. So let's see. Let's see what it's gonna be. All right, taking out the M5 trade at 150 stop there. But that trade is still valid, right? Until this low goes, it's still valid. But how much are you willing to endure in terms of risk for that one trade, right? Not for 102 anyway, you get what I'm saying? Okay, let's see what 200 would do, because it is M5 at the end of the day, and it should have a much higher risk tolerance, maybe. But let's see. Let's test it out. Really and truly, stock would have to be here. That was more like 2 something. Do something more like 300. 300, they double it 150. Ah, we going downhill. Ah, we going downhill. This bit should not be dirty at all. Man, it's just that fluffy. Come back below that kilo now. All right. Market structure shift there. No fair value gap though. Wow. Taking liquidity below kilo, swing low, displacement back above the kilo, waiting for fair value gap and a market structure shift. Market structure shift, waiting on the fair value gap to be confirmed here to make this an A plus sell. Waiting on that fair value gap here to be confirmed. Mm. 15 more seconds. And it's during the micro time frame, so 'Below this 391, so it's 50, so it's 39250. Whatever, tagged in there now at 10:53. It is what it is. I didn't get to adjust for 2, 7, 7. Still ain't coming down there to tag you in that one. Taking going into 2 trades now. He's still nowhere near you. All right, yeah, a long position. +1. So we're buying over 250. So I'm going a bit too high, to be honest. -2. Should be. Just leave that line there for now. There we go. We were tagged in that trade at 10:53. I said 2 minutes in this trade now. We're risking 1.2. $1,220. Woo wee! I'm not there yet. Shit, god damn it. Move this so I can pay attention to the purse. Takes us out, we'll know it took us out, so we don't need to be staring at it. We don't want to. Okay. The blast it through the CB there, closed above it. And Q still inside of the file busy. About to get taken out here. And we'll see if this trade will tag us in and take us to TP1. Still in there though for now. I think the same candle is gonna take us out. It'll be the same candle that will probably take us in there. You're gonna do it, bro. Do it with your chest as well. And run it. All right, taking out there. 11:02. We were tagged in there. 11:53. So about 9 minutes in there. Okay, we would begin tagged in this original trade here. Okay, at 11:02. I'll look at that later. Let me see. This is kilo. 30. Shipment, yeah. 16. Excuse me. Not looking so good for this trade here, isn't it? All right, taken out there. Bing bang bosh. Good to know. There was a trade. Two take profits. Taking our half risk. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, 5 minute would have been taking you out there. Already took us out anyway. I was just testing to see if there was any hope in that. But 5 minute, man, you build hope, you build trust in me, and then you just okay. As you can see, it's still the M15 trade. Okay, still going there. Okay, so this was the trade there. 602 there. But we got a one bullet hit. Okay, second bullet didn't hit. So boom, 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 voyage. Let's do a trade. Oh, let's wait till 11:10, I guess. We'll do a trade performance review and then we'll log it off for today and we'll be done. Happy New Year's Eve. Going to the next year stronger, better. Set your goals, set your targets for this year, next year coming. Okay, make sure you hit them. Make sure you work towards hitting them anyway, or and achieve them, you know. But so far, it's been a pretty difficult morning, but we were able to get something out of it. Okay, so won't complain there. M5, just tough, man. M5 is tough. Like yesterday, it was all about the M5. It was all about the M5. But then today, M15 trade. All right, set us off there. Once we go close below that, came back up and do that. Yeah, nothing on this sell side that would have been an entry for me, really and truly. Nothing. Nothing. So next draw on high time frame here, we have this low. Okay, and then we have this low. I'm probably to take the 20-day low, which you see. But there's no efficiency on the M4 hour, just liquidity. Don't take this. Then we have the daily BC plus volume imbalance here. Potential next draw on liquidity here. Okay, taking all the sell side in here. Depending on how we act in here too. That's the factor. All right, dollar's about to hit buy side. That's kind of encouragement. Here's the next draw. Dollar's about to hit buy side, so NQ is coming down to hit sell side then. Potentially. Put your hand in the air if you want to know. Ooh, na 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 no na 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 na. Everybody say it like, oh na 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 na. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a trade performance review for the day. All right, maybe we'll stay to see 2:30, but depending on what price actually is saying, I'll log off. But anyway, what did I do well today? I showed up today, okay, and I got 1% better. I gained experience, okay, got a monetary outcome, and I learned a lesson today. All right. So all three outcomes were achieved today. Okay, I showed up. The trader did her job. She let the analyst lead. Okay, let's go over the trade one more time. Okay, so post 10 o'clock, or also post 10:15 as well. Okay, we trade 2 and 3 kilos. All right, swing low. Okay, we take liquidity below the kilos. Swing low, displacement to the upside, all right, causes a market structure shift back above the kilos, okay, leaving a fair value gap. Busy, okay, we set our limit order here, but we wasn't tagged in, okay, but during post 10:15, okay, we got a swing low, we got price traded back below a kilo, okay, it was opening session range low, all right, we got a swing low here, okay, displacement to the upside, causing market structure shift back above the kilo, all right, leaving a fair value gap busy up in there. We got tagged in that trade. taking out at TP1. Okay, he offered us TP2, all right. So, and then he came back to take us out at half the risk. It was a max risk. Okay, so he came back to take us out at 75 after taking two take profits there. Okay, so yeah, let the analyst lead. All right, trader followed. Once I saw this here with this in the market structure shift, I was like, okay, maybe he might not want to come all the way down here. All right, to tag us in that trade. So we have a potential setup forming here. So we went and I went ahead and went with that. Okay, so proud of myself for being able to see the model. Okay, that's what something I did well, being able to see the model and execute as per the model suggests. Okay, so that's what I did well today. Where I fell short, I quite sure. 9 o'clock, I didn't really see anything really and truly. This was the trade of the morning, to be honest. Nothing here that would have or inefficiency here. Take this inefficiency, we take buy side above the inefficiency, swing high, displaces low, market structure shift back below the inefficiency, fair value gap there, right? Potential. It was like yesterday, right? New week opening gap, but these new week opening gap, I understand because it's a weekly thing, in it. But corresponding to fair value gaps, they're also inefficiency too. And literally it's the same thing, it's a gap. So and it's 10 and it's post 10-15. Take the gritty above an efficiency. Spaces down. These are not my trade, right? Well, for now anyway. I'm confident on the liquidity, but the inefficiencies still learning about them in it. Nothing there. So so potentially this was the trade. The TP2 was right at the inefficiency. So when we hit that inefficiency there, we saw that huge displacement to the downside. This was the trade then at the moment. So that's going with the current, looking like this week's going to end bearish, but it's going with the current weekly trend, but mine is bullish. So anyway, hey, I got my low hanging fruit target. Okay, even it gave me my second target, came and took me out. But as you can see, the trade is here. Inefficiency, we take buy side above it is a first presented fair value gap. We take buy side above it, displaces down, market structure shift, fair value gap in here, and there you go. All right, so good to know. Good to know. That's not my trade yet. Okay, maybe later down the line in a different account, I'll do like a liquidity and inefficiency account, and we'll go from there and see how that goes. Okay, so, but for now, where I fell short, I would say getting in again, but I got in on my demo account, which is fine. As long as I didn't get back in on this account, as long as I didn't get back in here after my first bullet hit, okay, I think I'm fine. But as far as the demo goes, obviously this will be on a separate account. Once that account is hit, I'm not going back in there. All right, that 2 bullet is for this account. All right, so even here, I don't want to like overtrade, even though I'm demoing and shit. I still don't want to overdo it. If it's following the model or something I'm testing, fair enough, I can do it. But like, yeah, where that fall short? That's not really somewhere I fell short because I just explained it, right? um, where that fall short? It was nice to see this though, the M15. Where did that fall short today? Where did that fall short today? Where did I fall short? Need to hurry up because my stomach is like empty. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't put nothing in my belly. It's beginning to get to that starving stage now. Anyway, yeah, 5 minute really just threw me off there, you know. Anyway, like it builds the trust and it takes it away. Where did I fall short today? Oh, yeah, I know where I fell short. Not realizing that I didn't completely finish my morning routine. I was sitting there chilling, like I was actually maybe like for 10 minutes I was sitting there chilling, like completely escaped my mind that I forgot to write down my goals and read for the morning. Okay, so that's where I fell short for today. Okay, where can I improve for the next trading day? Um, oh, for the next trade, pay attention to the inefficiencies that you have on your charts, which is the new week opening gaps and the first presented fair value gaps. All right. Yeah. Yeah, pay attention to them, okay, and see the setups forming around them. All right. Well, for now, I can only see it after the effect. After the effect, I can only see it after it's happened. All right. So I'm not able to identify it during while it's happening. Okay, because obviously I was obviously all the way up in this trade. But once I'm tagged in a trade, okay, I need to be focused on the price action and where it's going and what it's doing there. Okay, not like, I'm tagged in here, TP122, forget it, let it go. If it comes and takes you out, whatever, pay attention to price action. What is it telling you? What is it doing? Obviously, you followed everything here. Okay, that's done. Now we're moving on to the next. What is happening? What is happening next in price, right? Obviously, with time, I'll get better at that. For now, um, yeah, yeah, pretty much, yeah. Also, yeah, if this happens and this happens, you can do that and just don't even worry about this. Okay. If that failed, then probably yeah, I would have. If this one came and took me out, I would have waited to be tagged in here, and obviously it would have took me out with hindsight now. Mm, but yeah, overall, Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve, all right. Kind of difficult price action, but not really. Okay, the setup was there and it was clear. All right, and he gave us two take profits and came to take us out at half risk. Nothing there, but clearly, as you can see, the inefficiency, the first percentile fair value gap, post 1015, we come and take buy side above it, displaces down. Okay, market structure shift, fair value gap here. So that was the trade there. But this was fine too, right? It gave us it did what it needed to do. Okay, so nothing wrong with that. Um, how I can also improve for next trading day. Keep showing up. All right, keep paying attention to price action. Like today, I think I was more focused on price and less on my phone today. Okay, so keep that up. All right, don't be on your phone too much while you're here. All right, only if it's necessary. But now I don't have nothing to worry about in terms of work and reaching out to people. So I don't. The phone can be like put down while I'm trading. So let's keep that up. We're off tomorrow. All right. We are off tomorrow and then we're back Thursday at 8:15. And back, this one just don't have a timing. Yep, Friday, saying 10 there. Saying 10. Yep, Friday 9:15. Oh, 9. Yeah. Is it 9:15, I think? Yeah, 9:15 for the opening bell. Yeah, 9:15 will be here. So we're off tomorrow. Okay. Happy New Year to you. Journal, Daily Journal. Happy New Year. We're going into 2025 stronger mentally, no, I would say physically, yeah, I've been working out. Stronger mentally, physically, spiritually, all kind of lilies. We're going into 25 with it, okay? It's been an amazing year, okay? Ending of the year, I think August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, amazing. Last quarter of this year has been really eye-opening. I really really like focused 110% of my energy here. Like I said, I deleted my social media, which has like expedited my growth, okay, like immensely. I would say like it's just it lifted a lot of pressure off me, okay, and just took me to a whole other another level that I didn't even think I could reach, right? And I'm still finding more about myself and more about these markets and how I react to the markets and these candlesticks in front of me. I'm so proud of myself this year for another year of like 100, giving my 110% into this industry and for 2020, like this last half of 2020, and we're 24. So yeah, 4 years, 4 years, yeah, like a good strong 4 years, solid 4 years, all right, of just pure focusedness on this on the markets, on price action, on just becoming a better trader and just being the best person, the best version of myself that I can be. Okay. And it's just been an amazing year of ups and downs. Okay. I was actually able to take out money this year. Okay. I took two payouts from Top Step. First one was like, I think it was 1,300, and then the next one was 3K. Okay. And I'm proud of myself for that. All right. Even though I haven't taken out any more money, it's just, it was the eye opener for me that, like, oh yeah, I can definitely do this and this is possible. And it's also the same reason I was actually able to get my brother interested in it. Okay, when he saw that I was taking money out, he's like, okay, yeah, all right. Now that I see that you're making money, I see there's potential here, and I got him interested in it. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy I was able to achieve that and to be able to inspire him to want to do this, because this is where it's at. Okay, and they made me proud last Friday. That my test TVs, they made me real proud last Friday. I wish I had recorded that class. That class was the best class yet. But they're starting to see it, and I'm happy that they're starting to see it, and yeah, they're improving, becoming semi-pro traders. But yeah, it's been an amazing year. Happy New Year, journal. Can't wait for next year. I'm telling you, you're hearing it here first, Daily Journal. 2025 is my come up year. I don't care. All right. 2025 is my come up year. Nothing or nobody can stop me this year. Okay. All right. We're going to review this at the end of next year. And I'm going to be like, I told you here first. You heard it here live first. All right. But yeah, it's been an amazing morning. Learned a lot. Well, I would say it wasn't too difficult, okay, but it was quite challenging, all right. But still, I was able to go in there and get something out of the market. So I'm happy and pleased with myself, okay. Um, yeah, I'm just rambling now, all right. I want something like inspiring to say before I end off. So let me think, how can I end it? Because next time you see me, it will be a new year. It will be 2025. So I had to end 2024 with a bang. Ga, 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 ga. All right, so next draw, we're back at that new week opening gap here. Okay. Next draw is the low here, previous day low, which is also in line with AM session low there. All right, so that M15 trade there is doing bits. It's doing bits. Well, that's not my trade though. I don't trust that. Even the 5 minutes trying to lose my shit, to be honest. But anyway, yeah, let's delete these things. Yeah, this really should have panned out, and when it didn't, yeah, when it didn't, you should have known. That was it. When it closed below it here, came back into it, boom, dropped. Did it come back up and use this as an inversion? Yeah, it did. It did. Came back into it as an inversion. And going lower. Santa Claus rally is done in it. It's done up. All right. But yeah, so I'm happy and pleased with myself going into the new year. I now have it's something that I really like was lacking in the beginning stages. I now have a model and process and procedures that I'm refining and tweaking as I'm gaining more experience in price action. Okay. I'm not where I want to be, okay, but I'm on the way to where I want to be. Okay. In terms of my analyst, okay, it's still not where I want it to be. All right. But I know with time and with continuing education and continue being in front of these markets with more experience, okay, I'm gonna get to where I want to be. All right. And I don't need to get there, next year. Like I don't need to be there next year. As long as I'm incrementally getting to where I want to be. All right. Like I said, 1% better every day, every week, every month, every year. All right. It compounds. All right. So this is just the beginning phase of my journey here. I'm still in the beginning phases. Okay. I'm happy actually. I'm a side note. I'm pleased with myself that, like, as you saw today, like I wasn't really like my excitement, okay, is dying down. All right. And that's because I'm continuously seeing these things and seeing these signatures and my models continuously doing what it needs to do. Yes, I've taken losing trades. Yes, I've taken series of losing trades, but it's not deterring me from the model. Okay. And I'm pleased myself that my excitement level like is just like dimming down slowly. Okay. it doesn't need to go away completely. I still want to soak in these early moments, okay? Because I know down the line, like let's say 2, 3, 5 years down the line, this is just gonna be like a everyday type shit, and I'm just gonna be over it. So while I still have the excitement in the beginning phases, I want to soak all that excitement in, okay? Because I know it's gonna go away. All right, but as you can see, I was cool, calm, collected, all right, when I go into the trade. Um, yeah, the AC kicked off, so I got a bit chilly. It could have been the AC, or it could have actually been nerves inside that, was like was just trying to come out. But like, I don't know if I was nervous or if I was scared. Maybe I was scared that, I was gonna take another loss because it was I took one, two, three losses, four losses, a series of four losses, which is promised to me anyway, but still don't like it. It could have been the AC, all right, or it could have been the nerves in the trade. Still trying to determine. It could have been both too, also. But I tried to keep my cool anyway, but like I got like goosebumps and it just got real cold in here. I don't know if it was my nerves in the trade because I didn't want to take another loss. But either way, because I was actually at max loss too anyway. But anyway, the losses are nothing. Well, there's still something right now, and that's why I'm still in the beginning stage, but there's slowly becoming nothing. But yeah, that's a note I wanted to know in there. I don't know if it was the AC kicking in or if it was my feelings towards the trade, but I did get really cold during that time frame. Okay, but anyway, that's it. I'll see you, young lady, in the new year. Okay, have fun. All right, not too much fun. Going to the new year. All right, with the proper mindset, with our target and our goals in our forefront of our mind. Okay, and we're not gonna lose sight in 2025. We're not gonna lose sight of anything. All right, we've already set the foundation. All right, we're still building the foundation. Let's start with a strong foundation. All right, so then everything that comes on top of that is sturdy and it's not gonna get broken. Okay, so don't forget you have goals that you want to hit. You have targets that you want to reach. All right, so don't let that escape your mind. All right, you have an earned income target. All right, 150K. All right, so let's work towards it next year. We have a passive income target of 20K a year. Okay, that is 333K invested at 6% a year. Okay, so eyes on the target. Eyes on the target at all times, baby girl. Okay, don't lose sight of what you got going on here. Okay, you're doing this with a purpose. All right, and we have a destination and we're going to get to that destination, and when we get there, okay, there's going to be a bigger wars to fight and more things to achieve. So doing great, keep it up. All right, yeah, basically I'm rambling, so I'm done here, man. We're done. Fuck it, we ball. Let's go 2025. We're on your ass. All right, Daily Journal, be out. Happy hunting. Ciao, hasta la vista. Bon voyage. Don't let the good Lord hit you where the good Lord split you. All right. See ya. Happy New Year.